Inshore Mafia at it again. Driving through Tivoli, and I'm headed south. Okay, got some ex-athletes gonna meet me in Aransas Pass for a guide. We're gonna go fish the flats. Conditions are looking awesome. Like, I can't even stress how much I've been looking forward to the conditions to be like this. It's supposed to be like a light 5 to 7 mile an hour southeast wind, east-southeast wind. So, I mean, it's just going to be phenomenal. We had a little cool front blow in about 2 days ago. So the outside temperatures dropped to about 55, 56. But the water temperature last time I checked was at 71 or something like that. So, pretty excited. The water temperature shouldn't have dropped too much and the fishing should be hot. I had a chance to stop at Bay City Salt Swag, pick me up some trout sports. Guys, I'm telling you, if you have not tried trout sport lures, you need to get with Tobin Strickland or Joe Mike at Salt Swag in Bay City, and you need to pick up some of these baits. The trout sport lure is phenomenal. It has the slow sink of a corky, but the action of a topwater. So it's just a great bait. I caught a lot of fish on it the last couple times I've gone out, so I'm pretty fired up about it. Also want to give a shout out to Chris Dodd and Salty Custom Topwater Baits. Okay, he sent me a couple of his prototype or his painted lures, custom painted lures. And man, I'm telling you, those topwaters are so loud. I can't even really describe it, but I want to give a big shout out to Joe Mike, Chris Dodd, Tobin Strickland for always keeping me up. Also want to give a shout out to Bike Club Soap Company for keeping me nice and clean. If you guys haven't had a chance to try some of their products, they got great products. Beard creams, soaps, nets. I mean, he's got a little bit of everything. Brian Taylor, big shout out to them, man, for always keeping me going. So I'm pretty excited. Let's see what happens. Let's go catch some fish. Inshore Mafia, check us out. Got Ryan with us out here fishing. Got the Freedom Chiquita going. Over there we got David already working. Let's get on some fish, Ryan. There he is. I got some more Blue Moon in there. You want me to get you some? Yeah, it's right there. Can you get you one? Yeah. Ryan is hooked up finally. Got him a fish. It might be a crab. But I heard he's had crabs for a long time anyway, so. Hey, that's a good one. It might keep. It's a little better one. Fish on.
I walk around on pins and needles, around people I can't even name. I keep on passing church steeples, praying that my God is still the same.
Little baby.
I've been wandering
Fish
like
on.
a fool to climb the sea. Maybe it ain't the bottle that I need a shot of
Fish on.
holy water. Need it to chase down the demons and burn them just a little bit hotter. I've been having drinks with the devil in this neon town. I need a shot of holy water, wash it down. Lost in the land of smoke and mirrors, I do my best to just steer clear of my yesterdays. I've been running so long now, running from
Little male, he's
myself,
croaking.
tired of running away. I'm still trying to get through to the man I want to be.
It's a little better one.
Maybe I'm not so gone that I can't see. I need a shot of holy water.
Woo.
Need it to chase down the demons and burn them just a little bit hotter. I've been having drinks with the devil in this neon town. I need a shot of holy water, wash it down. I need a shot of holy water. I need a shot of holy water. I need a shot of holy
GoPro, stop recording.
I need a shot of holy water. Need it to chase down the demons and burn them just a little bit hotter. I've been having drinks with the devil in this neon town. I need a shot of holy water to wash it down. I need a shot.
There he is. Fish on.
I walk around on pins and needles, around people I can't even name. I keep on passing church steeples, praying that
Monsters.
my God is still the same. I've been wandering like a fool to climb the sea. Maybe it ain't the bottle that I need. I need a shot of holy water. I need it to chase down my demons and burn them just a little bit hotter. I've been having drinks with the devil and this neon.
The bigger ones have been right off the bank.
Holy water, wash it down.
Maybe put them on the stringer, we can always measure them.
Lost in the land of smoke and mirrors, I do my best to just steer clear of my yesterdays. I've been running so long now, running from myself, tired of running away. I'm still trying to get through to the man I want to be.
Juice just smells trouty right here.
Not so gone that I can't see.
There he is.
I need a shot of holy water. Need it to chase down the demons and burn them just a little bit hotter. I've been having drinks with the devil in this neon town. I need a shot of holy water to wash it down.
Fish on.
I need a shot of holy water. I need a
I could sit there and do that shit all day.
of holy water. I need a shot of holy water. I need a shot